How's it going, guys? Good afternoon. This is Mike and Jake here to present our Mod 4 project. We did ours as an e-com store centered around mechanical keyboards and mice. So this is kind of our landing page right here. Got our nav bar with a sign in or cart option. We've also got billboard that's going to rotate on a timer right there. And then down here, you'll see each of our products. Going in, we can kind of click on a product. It's going to bring you to the actual page for that with the description, ratings, and then we have a list of our newest items in the store. Go back, we'll go up to sign in and actually sign up a new user. Go with Jake. And here, this is going to bring us back to our sign in page. Go ahead and log in again. And we're back home. You'll notice up at the top in our nav bar, rather than the sign in option, we now have a drop down that's got your account page as well as the log out feature. So going in, we can kind of come in this way. Let's say we want to select this. You'll notice this product is actually out of stock. And so you cannot click the add to cart button. We still want to keep it up on the inventory because hopefully, in an ideal world, we would get it back. Over here, we can add this guy into the cart. We'll get a little alert to let us know. And then with our cart feature, you can do multiple items. For this display, we'll just do one. This is kind of what our cart set up. You've got a small picture, price, and then the running total. Also, you can remove items from the cart. One of our stretch goals was to implement PayPal or like a Stripe API. We weren't able to get that worked in, but essentially that would go there and kind of do another patch to change the status of an order. But once your order is placed, it's kind of going to hit the back end, and we're actually going to log out and show you some of the other functionality. We'll go with an account that already has some orders placed. So you see same landing screen, but one of the things we have is our account screen. This has your user dashboard where you can actually see your past orders, kind of things like this, account info, edit your account info, which we just have name and address. Going back, one of the coolest but hardest things to implement was a rating system for each one. So you'll see kind of these ratings right here. MK Shadow Guard, sweet looking keyboard. We'll go ahead and leave that a 5-star. Submit that, and then you can actually see if we go back to our main page, shows up right there. It's one of the cooler things there. Now log out again. With any e-commerce store, you have kind of your user as well as the administrator. So we do have an account that is our admin account. The biggest thing you'll notice here is they have some extra abilities. Go back here, the same user dashboard, a few more orders, but then they also have their admin tools. You can go in and see all of the current orders that are in your system, and then ID, items, total, kind of the date placed. With that Stripe API, we would have changed and kind of toggled like an order as it was paid or unpaid. But without that, we just have a simple toggle here. So, accept payment, boom, and that's going to change. And you'll see this list actually go down as we kind of flag them off. And then we also have same thing, orders needing to be shipped, pardon me. So that's kind of our user dashboard. We do also have the ability to adjust inventory. So we can come back here and kind of change any of these. We had that Ducky Frozen Llama out of stock. We'll go ahead and put that back into stock. And let's just delete this mouse while we're here. And if we go back, you can see those changes reflected in the store. And then we do have in stock with the Frozen Llama again. One of the other things that we can do as an administrator is add a new item. So let's say we're getting a new product in. Let's see. Sorry. We can actually add in all of our information, set our units in stock. We'll just go at 3, create our item, and then you come right back to the home page and you'll see the disc goes there. Forgot to put the price in, sorry about that. But again, go leave a rating, submit, and that is pretty much the full functionality of our app thus far. You have anything else you'd like to add, Jake?
I think you did it. You did it.
Thank you, guys.